Default strategies.
Then we get to the last step in the RCM process, which is default strategies. Because, the name reliability centered maintenance implies that the process is all about identifying maintenance for our equipment. And it does that, and it does that brilliantly. But it also allows us to consider other solutions, things like maybe an equipment redesign or changing an operating procedure or making a new training program. Because when you think about it, there are a lot of elements that influence our equipment. And it's not just maintenance, it's all of those other things that I mentioned. And it includes things like operating environment and operational tempo and our operating procedures and our training procedures. So RCM gives us the opportunity to manage failure modes in other ways, not just proactive maintenance. And one of those ways is called a failure finding task. And what that is it is a task to see if our protective devices are in a working state or not. A simple example is a smoke detector. If we take care of our smoke detector properly, we would blow smoke at it every so often. We would want to blow smoke at it often enough so that it would be available to us when we need it. And that's called a failure finding task. So there you have it. Those are the 7 steps of the RCM process.